What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry I haven't really posted nothing here lately the past almost 2 weeks. Due to the whole coronavirus crazy epidemic, whatever. Anyways, it's just been really ridiculous. Don't want to go out in public and do a lot of vlogs, or I really don't do a lot of vlogs in public, but I really want to work on that. But I did do a new setup. I took my headlights apart, and I was going to do a DIY, but apparently I dropped my phone, and actually I record from my phone, and the quality is pretty good. Eventually I'm going to get me a camera, but I record my videos from my phone, but I dropped my phone and my touchscreen doesn't work, so I have to use my stylus to access my phone. Really sucks. And I'm going to show y'all little videos or little clips of my new setup now. I really love it. It looks a lot better. I'm loving the new look. And actually, the Demon lights was not as bad. A little bit of challenge with some screws and sealing it back together, or actually trying to open it was a little bit of a struggle, but it's really easy. It wasn't really that much difficult once you figure out, after you do the first lens, once you did the second, you're like, okay, this is very easy. But I want to say that the difficult level would be like a medium. But man, it's getting hot in here. It's toasty. But I'm gonna show y'all some stuff, what I did and the setup I went with, and then also I will let you know where I got my LEDs from, my Demon headlights. But all right, guys, I will catch y'all here in a bit. It's crazy how I took all that apart and customized my headlights. Pretty, like I said, it was pretty medium when it comes to difficulty. On this side as well, looks really good. A lot better. I'm actually about to, I don't know if I'm going to do it right now, or probably just do it whenever. But I'm actually going to take this whole thing apart again. Well, not take the whole lens apart, but take the headlight out. My blinker bulb went out the next day after I put it right back in. So I got to take all that back off now and change the bulb. Terrific. Alright, guys. Sorry this video is very short. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Again, thanks for watching. Z's looking really clean. And this is what it looks like with the light on. Looks really good. Man, I did such a good work. You can see where the LEDs. Looks a little bit darker in here, but I'm able to change any color. I'll probably do that in my next video where I'm able to change the color and see what other options is, but I'm digging it. It's really nice. Actually, I'm gonna get started on it now. So I didn't put the screws back in right here. I just left that alone. So what's the point? I mean, it's not gonna fall off. So I digged right here. I was able to pull that light bulb out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just replace it and pop it right back in. That is very simple. Saved me from taking all things apart. Got it working. That was simple. Again, all I had to do is just pop this off, dig in between there, lift my hand all the way up to the corner, twist, pull out, and go from there. And the new bulb's in. Blinker's working perfectly.